Jesus ascended into heaven. Mary assumed into heaven. And Prophet Elijah in the Old Testament was taken into heaven by a whirlwind. In other words, the solemnity of the Assumption of our Mary gives us a message that this earth is not our permanent homeland, but heaven is our eternal abode. Dearly beloved in Jesus Christ, today our Holy Mother Church celebrates the solemnity of the Assumption of our Blessed Mother. The readings of the day, especially the first reading and the Gospel, point at the greatness of Mary and the humility of our Blessed Mother. Assumption is one of the 4 Marian dogmas that Church declared officially on November 1st, 1950. The dogma is defined as follows. We pronounce, define and declare it is to be divinely revealed dogma that the Immaculate Mother of God, ever Virgin Mary, having completed her course of earthly life, was assumed body and soul into heavenly glory. Though this dogma was defined in 20th century, the notion of Assumption and Mary's Assumption has been there from the earliest centuries. Pope Pius XII, while promulgating this dogma, mentioned that from the earliest times there were innumerable people who had faith in the concept of Assumption and Mary's Assumption. The Pope declares and defines what has been already as common faith of the common flock of God. Again he added, there were homilies on Assumption dating back to 6th century. Dogma, in simple terms, can be defined as an official declaration by Church which cannot be questioned but to be received in faith. Therefore, just as any other dogma, the dogma of Assumption of our Mother should be received in faith. So, the more we try to understand the Assumption of our Mary, the more possibilities that we fall into error. But the more we give into faith, we understand better. That is why our prayer should be as that of St. Anselm of Canterbury, who said, "For I do not seek to understand in order that I may believe. I believe so that I may understand. For I also believe that unless I believe, I will not understand." Biblically, there are no direct evidences for Assumption of Mary. The angel Gabriel addressed, "Blessed are you, highly favored one, the Lord is with you." Gospel of Luke, chapter 1, 28. Assumption can be considered as fulfillment of this highly favor of God in Mary's life. In adding to this freely bestowed grace, Mary kept her faith throughout her earthly course of life. Therefore, God's free grace coupled with Mary's faith assure her assumption into the abode of God. That is why Mary paved way for every mortal being into heaven. If Mary, our mother, could do, we too can do. Dear brothers and sisters in Jesus Christ, Assumption is the hope of heaven, the abode of God. The message that we can take from the solemnity of the Assumption is that earth is not our permanent homeland. Heaven is our eternal abode. It is hope for those who strive hard to live Christian life because they inherit God's kingdom. At the same time, it is also warning against for those who live a life as if there is no life after. For they will become like the rich fool in the parable of rich man and Lazarus. Here we are reminded of the teaching of Jesus in John 12:25. Those who love their life will lose it. Those who hate their life in this world will keep it for eternal life. Therefore, we are called to prepare ourselves for the heavenly abode while we live on this earth. Finally, in a nutshell, the solemnity of the Assumption of Mary teaches us that this earth is not our permanent home. We are called to look towards the eternal abode of God. And we live on this earth while preparing for the eternal reward. May God bless us all.